Changing your payout method on Prefix 2026 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Prefix 2026 website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile section in the main menu. Click on it to proceed to your account management options. Step 3. Select payout methods. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the option to edit or add a new payout method. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information for your preferred payment method, such as bank details or e-wallet information. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout method details, make sure to save your changes. Look for a confirmation message to ensure that your new payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Prefix 2026. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.